brownies, and one recipe that has never let me down is the 1-minute brownie recipe. I've tried it several times and it always comes out perfect. Today I'll be trying another tempting recipe of hers, 1-minute mug cakes. So let's get into it. So we'll be making mug cakes in 3 different flavors. I'll start by taking butter, and I'll melt them. Now I'll add in sugar. Now in the choco chip one, I'll add in brown sugar. And before adding sugar in the chocolate one, I'll be adding cocoa powder.
And then mix it.
And I'll give it a mix. Although it's not a part of the original recipe, I'll be adding some coffee because I love coffee and chocolate. So in the other two, I'll add in some vanilla. Now I'll add 2 tablespoons milk in each one of them. Next goes in the flour. Now goes in the baking powder. And give it a mix. Remember to clean the mug. It will let it rise. Now I'll add sprinkles in the vanilla one. And I'll microwave it for 1 minute. In the meantime, I'll add choco chips to the other one. I'll give it a mix. Hear that? It is done. First one is ready. Now I'll put the second one in the microwave for 1 minute again. Oh, it smells so good. Now for the last one. Now all the 3 cakes are ready. I'll frost my chocolate mug cake with some Nutella. My 3 beautiful mug cakes are ready, but I'll have to wait a few minutes before I can dig in. Time to dive into each one of them. Start with the vanilla. The choco chip one. This is so tasty. For the last one, the chocolate. All 3 of them came out so amazing. Whichever one you decide to make, it will come out perfect. Do give it a try. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.